my name is Kelly Yang, and today I'll teach you how to make some mango sago. The ingredients that you need are 4 mangoes, a can opener, a fruit knife, coconut milk, tapioca pearls, condensed milk, a blender, and any type of glass Tupperware or any type of Tupperware you prefer. So right now I just added hot water into my pot and I'm waiting for it to start boiling. So now that my water has come to a boil, I'm going to add about a cup of tapioca pearls in. And now I'm just going to let them sit there and make sure to put on the lid and let them rest. So now I have my 4 pre-washed mangoes and I'm going to cut them this way, the side part like they lean on. And I'm going to just cut them in half on both sides. And for the seed in the middle, you can save that and snack on it later. Now I got my cut mangoes, I'm going to scoop it with a spoon to get all the flesh into the blender. So now I saved two halves of the mangoes so I can cut them into little cubes. Make sure to be safe about this part. Just like that, you can pop it up. Now you got little squares. But we're gonna take these out and put it in the mango sago later. Now get your coconut milk and open it. And now you're gonna want to pour about 1/3 of the can into the blender with your mangoes. That should be good. Also, now you're going to want to get your condensed milk. This one needs a can opener, so I'm going to use my can opener. So now we're going to start blending. Make sure to have your lid on. We're going to plug that in and then we're going to press high. Okay, so I let that blend for a good 2 minutes. And now we're going to see how the texture is. So we're going to taste it to see it to our preference. For me, I feel like I need to add more condensed milk, but you can do anything that you would want to add to it. So I added just about a spoonful of condensed milk. So let's get back to blending. So I just let that blend for about a good minute. And now we're going to taste to our preference again. It's perfect now. and make sure to slowly drain them. Now we're gonna rinse them one more time, then we're gonna drain them again. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my tapioca pearls. I'm gonna get one of my strainer ladles. You can use any strainer if you want. I'm gonna scoop the tapioca pearls into a bowl. Now, you're gonna wanna pour your mixture into your Tupperware or any bowl that you decide to have. I'll place this off to the side. Now, pour your mixture into your Tupperware. That seems like a good amount, but I'm gonna save the rest for later. Okay, now you're gonna want to get the mangoes that you put into the cubes earlier and scoop them into your bowl. That looks too. You're gonna want to add the tapioca pearls that you just made into the mango sago with the mangoes. There you go. That's mango sago. You could either mix it if you want, or you could just leave it like this and eat it like that.